So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the medium short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So please, let's destroy that like button and let's try to reach at least 1000 like in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, if you like this kind of daily update, then definitely destroy that like button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, what I want you guys to monitor is this rising wedge pattern. A rising wedge pattern is a bearish continuation pattern, and according to this bearish continuation pattern, Bitcoin has a last line of support lying around 108,000, and if this last line of support on 108,000 gets broken, what is next? A continuation which could look somehow like this: Bitcoin getting attracted around 100,000 and even lower because price parallelly has also failed to find support above this monthly October CPR trend lines. Yes, guys, these trend lines are very important line for us. If Bitcoin fails to flip this into support, then the next area of confluence is going to be this S1 line, S2 line, and in the worst case, even this S3 line, which is going to be below $100,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Bitcoin failing to regain its trend above this October CPR and failing to hold this last line of support around this S1 line, 108,000, then we know the upcoming days for Bitcoin could be very bearish. But still, there is some hope. Bitcoin is still fighting strong to come across this October CPR line, which is going to be around 112,500 to 113,500 range. If we flip this into proper support, then despite forming this bearish continuation pattern, there could be another really rally type of formation. I mean, if the monthly October candle closes in between this October CPR, then we know the next month CPR will be a parallel lining CPR, and parallel lining CPR doesn't necessarily mean we are bearish. So that's why, to avoid another bearish continuation, even a bearish month, we must find support above this October CPR. Otherwise, Bitcoin could look somehow like this. I mean, a right angle broadening top pattern, doesn't matter whatever you call it, a right angle broadening top pattern or even a rising wedge pattern. Both are looked as a bearish continuation pattern. So if Bitcoin loses a support on 108,000, then even this bearish scenario will start playing out, and price of Bitcoin in that case could be getting attracted towards 100,000 and even lower. So to avoid this bearish continuation, what must we do in the medium short term? Hold our ground above 108,000 and regain our strength inside this October CPR. Yes, before closing the month of October, we need this monthly candle to remain around these key trend lines. Otherwise, you know, even this 2B sell pattern will play out. Unfortunately, this is another bearish continuation pattern lining in a weekly time frame, and just like here, you can see a 2B reversal where price makes a new high, pull back, another higher high, but this higher high fails to remain above the new high. I mean, the previous high fails to hold the price, which then results in a sell-off, and below this key trend line, the actual sell-off follows, just like as shown here in an example. So same thing looks like playing out here. New high, price failed to flip the previous high into support, and now we are seeing a sell-off. So after this sell-off, just like here, we could see another bigger sell-off, which could bring the price of Bitcoin, or which could attract the price of Bitcoin around 100,000 and even lower. So that's why even for this bearish continuation to get invalidated, Bitcoin in the monthly time frame before closing the month of October must regain its trend inside this CPR trend line in between 113,500 to 112,500 $. Otherwise, even parallelly, another bearish continuation will play out for a while. I mean, Bitcoin, you can see, if you monitor this price action in a weekly time frame, looks like getting attracted towards this 50 exponential before starting with an actual parabolic move. So if this bearish continuation attracts us, I mean, if this bearish continuation plays out, price of Bitcoin gets attracted towards this 50 EMA, you can see where could that be? again around 100,000 or even lower price target. So for all this bearish continuation to get invalidated, what we need the price to do in the medium short term, to hold its ground around 108,000 and to come across this October CPR before ending the month of October. Otherwise, things could get very ugly. So please guys, please do not over leverage yourself. Use proper risk management strategy and proper position sizing. Otherwise, things could get very ugly. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder, if you haven't claimed this $30,050 in welcome rewards from Bybit, then definitely check this out, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who wants to take advantage of this market volatility and also trade with free money, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.